Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quality mockup with Canva, right? So I'm going to introduce you to the full step on what to do to achieve this this particular feature on Canva, right? So if you're on your Canva right now, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to this. Okay, you click on this. Once you click on it, it will open you to this other block, okay, where you see smart mockup, right? So you click on smart mockup. So once you click on smart mockup, okay, these are all smart mockup that you can access. Okay, we have the printable ones, we have packaging where you package products or mockup products. So I'm going to search for, okay, let's search for business card, right? Okay, here is business card. We are going to select it. So we have here different business card to select and work with, right? So I'm going to just select this, select that. So I've selected. Now let's select an image to add, right? So I'm going to click on this select. So once I select, it's telling me to upload, and we can also check it from our design. So I'm going to click on our designs to check from our designs and then check it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this design we made. If you watch that first video on Canva that I made, this was the flyer we did. So I'm going to click on it and select and click on select, right? So I'm going to click on select. So I'm going to click on adjust so that we can adjust. I just want it to fill up the mock so that it will look fine. So you can also design what will fix with the mockup, right? So I'm done with the custom. So I'm going to click on save. So right, you can see what happens there. So I'm going to click save mockup. So right now our mockup is saving. Okay, so it's showing me use a design if I want to use it for anything. So I'm going to click on download. So right here is a mockup beautifully made, right? So guys, I was able to do that using a Canva Pro with my smartphone. So if you are interested in getting Canva Pro, you can check the description. I'm going to drop a link there where you can get it for free, right? So just click on the link on the description box and you'll get it from me, right? So with all that, let's see you in another video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.